I'm going to be showing you some cute Christmas recipes. The ingredients you need are chocolate chips, banana, coconut, or marshmallows, whatever you prefer, blueberries, toast, raspberries, strawberries, peanut butter, pretzels, and nut spread. First, I'm going to be making the Santa Claus. First, you are going to need to take your toast. It does not have to be toasted. It can be any type. And you're going to want to put it in kind of a curved shape like this. And then you're going to want to take your peanut butter and you are going to want to spread it out on the whole piece of bread. And you can use a butter knife or this icing flatter. Lots of peanut butter on the toast because you want everything to stick on there because you're going to be sticking on there blueberries, bananas, coconut, strawberries. So you're going to want it to be really sticky. There we go. When you're done getting your peanut butter spreaded out, you are going to sit down your spatula and then you are going to be going and adding your bananas as your beer. You're going to start in the corner of your Santa Claus and set one banana. Then you're going to go up to about these two kind of points right there. Then, when you are done with that, you are going to be taking some coconut, just a little bit to start out with. If you need more later, you could do that. And you're going to want to be spreading it out on the top. This is as Santa's cotton or on his hat. This would be his cotton. Then you're going to want to take some strawberry and on the back of it, add some nut spread. And put it on the top as your first part of your hat. Then when you're done with that, you're going to want to take another strawberry and put it on the other side, but you're going to want to overlap that with the other strawberry. Okay, I'm going to overlap that now. Two blueberries. And you're going to be putting a little bit of nut spread on the back. And just sticking them on as his eyeballs. Then you are going to be adding a raspberry. Try to choose a small one so it can kind of fit in the tiny little hole that you made there, the little triangle, and get it to stick there as the nose. And there is your Santa Claus toast. Now I'm going to be showing you how to make a reindeer. You're going to need another piece of toast and you're going to want to do the same thing and add peanut butter to this one so all of the things will stick. And make sure it covers the whole piece of bread. Okay, now for the reindeer, you're going to want to take 2 bananas and place them on as eyes. Then you're going to want to take 2 blueberries for the pupil of the eye, and you're going to stick that on there. Then, for the ears, you are going to take 2 pretzels and you are going to want to set them on the 2 little curved parts of your bread, just like that. And you're going to take a raspberry. This time it can be any size. And you're gonna place it on as your nose. And then you can go in with some chocolate chips and add them as the mouth. And there is your reindeer.